Hi Year 1, I hope you've had a good half term and you're all refreshed and raring to go. Here's your maths lesson for week 6, lesson 1. I'd like you to keep going with the top marks games that you've been playing before. Try and increase the level, and don't forget those times table rockstar games to play as well. You need to get really good with all those number bonds and recalling facts quickly so you're ready for year 2. Okay, let's start off by reading this rhyme. Get us really good at counting in twos. Remember, those are all the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get counting. We can't wait. 10, 12, 14, 16. Hello, twos, where have you been? 18, 20, 22, 24. Is that you knocking on the door? 26, 28, 30, 32. I love counting, so do you. 34, 36, 38, 40. We're so good, we're never naughty. Try and read it by yourself now. Pause the video. Back to top marks now, and I want you to type in the search connect the dots. And this is a fun activity to get really good at counting in those twos. So it's showing you where to start. Where would you go next? And so on. I wonder what it's going to make. Now be careful, there are some numbers in there that you don't need. Now you get to raid your mum's purse or your dad's wallet or your piggy bank, whatever. But you need a £2 coin, a £1 coin, a 50p, a 20p, 10p, 5p, 2p, 1p. Ta-da! Now I want you to pick each coin up in turn and look at it really carefully. Look at both sides. Look at the pictures, the writing. Think about the shape, the colour and the size of the coin. Then can you put the coins in order from the smallest size to the biggest size? Did you get that? Now it really stands out how different these coins are now. You've got your brown ones or copper. You've got silver ones. And you've got some that are silver and gold. You can see most of the coins have got curved edges, but 2 coins have got straight edges. Which coin is worth the most? Which coin is worth the least? One thing I find strange about money is the way we write prices when they're above £1. This is my £2 coin, so we say £2. But of course, we don't write pound, do we? We use a pound sign. But we don't write £2. That should be written like so. Weird. Likewise, we say £1, but we actually write £1. Now with your coins, I want you to think which one was worth the least, which one was worth the most, and then can you put the other coins in order? Where would they go? Going from worth the least to worth the most. Make a nice straight line of coins. Take a look at some notes now. Have a feel at them. Look how it's written. And look at the pictures again on both sides and the writing. There's a queen seat. Who else is on these notes? You should hopefully be able to look at a £5 note, a £10 note, maybe a £20 note, and if you're really lucky, a £50 note. But make sure you give them back. Now I want you to have a bit of practice at drawing round coins. I'm going to double up. So make sure you've got 2 1p coins and draw around them carefully. Label them inside and then write down how much that makes in total. Then repeat with 2 2p coins. then 2 5p coins, then do double 10p, double 20p, double 50p, double £1 and double £2. Next you need to pick a silver coin and a bronze coin. And draw around those in your book. What would that make? Think about those place value cards, 20p and 2p. You don't really need to work that out, that's dead easy. Look, you've got 20 and 2, 22. So how about 10 and 1? 50 and 5. Now let's choose 3 coins. Okay, now when you're counting money, you must always start with the one that's worth the most. 50. Then the next coin that's worth the most is the 5, and you know that 50 and 5 is 55. We've just done it. 56, 57. 55 and 2, 57. How about these 3? They're not in the right order yet, are they? We need 20 first, then the 10, and then the 1. So here we're counting in tens, multiples of 10, aren't we? 20 and 10 is 30. 30 and 1 is 31. I'd like you to choose 3 coins now. Draw around them carefully on your square paper and don't forget to label them, and then write down the total. Can you do that 10 times for me? Make sure you do different combinations and don't make it too easy for yourself. Try and stretch yourself and do some tricky ones. Now look in your pack or the emergency folder, and I want you to have a go at page 23 please. And don't forget the think questions. Try page 24 next. Don't forget to check your answers. Let's take a look at my pile of 2p coins now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2p coins. So how much is that altogether? Can you get 7 coins and count them out? Did you count in twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 2p coins make 14p. If my pile of 2p coins had 4 in it, how much would I have then? Now I've got 5p coins. There are 3 of them. So how much is there? For lots of extension work, go to the Google Emergency folder and work your way through this PowerPoint. And there's this for extension as well, another PowerPoint which you'll find in the emergency folder. Okay boys, that's it for today. Make sure you give all the money back. And I'll see you tomorrow.